Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a luxury home decor unboxing, and today we will be unboxing some Fornasetti plates. Hopefully I am pronouncing it right. So this is the packaging that it comes in. It is so pretty, as you can see. And these are wall plates, which don't mind my plants. It's going through I don't know what right now, but I'm putting 3 wall plates here. Let me zoom a little bit back. And also 3 wall plates here. This plant is happy. If you guys have any recommendations on how to revive this one, please put it down in the comment below. So anyways, as you could see, my theme is, my whole bedroom is black and white. I will do a room tour once I'm done decorating. And unfortunately, I have only received 5 pieces today, so I am missing one, but we will nevertheless unbox. So, this is the box. Comes in. It is super cute. It has this gold lining. It also has the reference and scan code. And the box all around is just like this. So, let's see. The box does come with cushion inside. So, I got 6 different plate, guys. My first plate is a broken face. And this is the back. This is the front. All the plates I have are different. And this is what comes in the box, which gives a little brief history. And then you have an assortment of the different plates that they carry. It's a lot. There's more on the back. There's so many to choose from. They're so pretty. And then inside the box, as you can see, there's more cushion. So your plates will be protected. Let's go on the second one. Like I said, it's the same thing. Same packaging. And this one is just an eye. And again, it has this in the back. It has a couple of holes here, I guess, so you could hook it to the wall. It does not come with hooks or nails or anything. How beautiful is this one? I think all the plates I got are so pretty. So they have an assortment of plates. I got all of these from Neiman Marcus, one of my favorite stores to shop at. This is the 4th plate. It's a mouth and a nose, the bottom half of the face. And each plate is approximately 10.2 diameters, which is 26 centimeters. And each plate is made out of porcelain, so they are very fragile. So what I am trying to do is use command strips instead of nails. I don't like using nails on my wall to hang the plates, but I will test it out with 1 plate because I don't want, these plates are expensive and I don't want them to just randomly fall and break. That would be very upsetting. So if you see this pattern, the plates that have this pattern will all go on one wall together. Look at the detail. It is so cute. So the only plate I haven't received yet is this plate, which is the shushing plate, which I am supposed to get next week. So I'm not gonna do a tour a room tour until I have all that decor and I replace that plant. So I will put one of these plates in the middle of both walls, and then it will be two of the full face ones, either one on top and one at the bottom. So again, this is the detailing. So guys, that was my mini unboxing on Fornasetti. As soon as I received the last missing plate and I put the plates on the wall, I will take a picture or do another video just showing you this part of my room. Only because I still have to repair one of my walls and find a picture for this particular wall right here. You see there's a hole. So I will not be doing a room tour until that wall is fixed. And I don't know how long that will take because I still don't even know what kind of painting I want to hang up there or what I am actually doing with that wall. So I'll keep you guys updated. I hope you enjoy this mini unboxing and I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see more unboxings, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.